Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela for Hip Kit Club, and today I'm sharing a new layout with you using one of the monthly cut files. And I'm working with the Make Kits. And as you can see, I cut the Play Stay Happy cut file from the turquoise cardstock. And now I want to create my page by using this. Okay, well, most of the times when using cut files, I fill the blanks with paper, but this time I want to do it in a different way. So, first of all, I apply some black paint here with a makeup sponge to have a background, but in the end, you will only see tiny little bits of this black paint, so it might look a bit crazy right now, but in the end there are only tiny spots left. Okay, so now I also add some color sprinkles, and I'm also going for a teal or turquoise here so that we have the same color again that we have the cut file in. And yeah, I take the color off immediately because I don't want it to become too strong. So yeah, this is a quick and easy way to just add some color to your projects. Yeah, as you can see, I'm working with a black and white picture here, and I will only have the one color on my page, and the rest will be black and white pieces. And yeah, I really like this way. And now you see I've just cut a stripe from the Miss Modern paper, the striped one. I really like this one, and I'm also placing 2 more paper stripes on top of it. And then I can start to adhere the paper to the cardstock, and yeah, then the embellishing can start. That's always the fun part of each and every project, I guess. And the picture is taken at a soccer court, and when talking about my son, I have to say that he is totally into football, and yeah, he really plays each and every single day, and no matter where we are, football is his thing. And yeah, that's why this cut file Play Stay Happy works perfectly with this picture, because yeah, it's so true. And I will place the picture here on my paper stripe, and then put the cut file on top of it so that it is on top of the picture and on the paper and the black paint. So yeah, I won't have any paper layers behind the cut file, and this way the turquoise really pops and is a nice eye catcher here. And now I have to adhere the cut file here and the cut file piece, and then I want to have some embellishments on top of the cut file as well. And of course I'm going for all the teal and turquoise pieces that I can find in my kits. And as we all know, there are lots of different embellishments in all the hip kits. So yeah, embellishing always is really, really fun. So I want to use this everyday die cut from the die cut pack, Vicky Butin die cut pack here, because yeah, Football is in our lives every day, so I place it here. And then I also want to use this puffy sticker from Amy Tangerine, and yeah, the color is just perfect here. And now I see what else I can use. Maybe high five, but I don't like the green part of it, so I'm flipping through all my sticker sheets and see what I can get. So the pink paisley stickers are really great, and I have a part of this border left. I used the other half on another page, but here we have yeah, a nice place for it under the die cut. And now I'm using different phrase stickers from the pink paisley 5th Monaco sticker sheet, and I'm also going through the stamp market stickers. There I can also grab some word phrases, and I just placed them here on top of the cut file, and this way there are lots of details, and I really like it this way. Okay, so now I see if I can add some fuzzy cut words, but I guess yeah, that's not a good idea, so yeah. Okay, I also rearrange this circle sticker later, but first of all I try different versions of other embellishments. That's what I always do. I try different things, and then in the end I decide what I want to keep or what should stay. And like this little border, but it doesn't really fit, so I just won't use it on this project. There will be another one for it for sure. And yeah, so now I'm writing my handwritten journaling, and when this is on the page I always know what there is left to fill on the page, because there are still some blanks which I want to fill. And yeah, now I can start to do this, because I know where my journaling is. And this cute little bow is something I really want to use. I really like those. They are so beautiful, and I like the dimension. And now I can just add some more bits and pieces here and there. And I think that some golden accents might be nice here as well. So I add some shiny golden stickers from the pink paisley sheet here, and of course they have to occur on several points, so that yeah, so that it really fits. And there are different shiny stickers here on this sticker sheet, and I really like yeah, the shiny touch. And in the end I also decided to add some more bits and pieces next to the big puffy sticker, because I felt that there was a little blank to fill. And the butterflies are something that you could use on almost every project. So when I got my kit, I fussy cut the whole sheet. It's also from pink paisley, and yeah, I fussy cut all the butterflies, and now I have a little bag filled with these fluttery friends. And it's always nice if you can just grab them and use them here and there. And first of all, I wasn't sure if butterflies are okay here because it's a layout about football, but then I thought, well, you can use butterflies with everything. So here we go. Some butterflies, and in the end I even added the die cut shoe, which you can see later when I show you the picture of my finished project. Yeah, so you see that I just fold the butterflies a bit, and then I just add adhesive to the middle of each piece, so there is more dimension on my page. And now I just add the date, stamp, and of course I place my layout on the cardstock piece, and this is what it looks like in the end. You see that I added the die cut shoes and another butterfly, and then that's my finished page. Well, thank you so much for stopping by today, and have fun using your kits, and I guess I'll see you soon. Bye bye.